Hi friends, today we are presenting tutorial about how to integrate Mailerlite with WordPress. Mailerlite is an email marketing automation solution for businesses. We already have created a video about its features. You can see that by clicking over here. So let's start the video and see how to integrate WordPress with Mailerlite. Open Mailerlite website, move to here, sign up or login. Put your organization name, email address and password. Click the button below. You will get all these options with free account. I already have created account, so I log in. Here is the dashboard. Click here. Go to integration. Click on it. Here are the options. Developer API. You simply integrate with other apps. Below are feature integrations, include Shopify, WooCommerce, WordPress and others. We move to WordPress. Click over here. Here is the whole method given that how to integrate. Below is the API key for integration. Now go to WordPress site. Go to plugin section. Click add new, search the plugin Mailerlite. Here is the plugin, install it. Now it's installed. Activate the plugin. It's activated. Now see here Mailerlite option. Click on it. 3 options: sign up forms, settings and status. Click on sign up forms. Put your API key over here from Mailerlite website. Copy the API key and paste it over here. Click save API. Add sign up form. Now choose the option custom sign up form or form created in Mailerlite. We choose custom sign up form. Click create form. Add form name and add tags or interest groups. Click create form option. Here is the form shortcode to add in the website. Below are form details that include title, description, success message, button title and others. From here select form fields and click save form. Now go to post or page where you want to add the sign up form. Click over here. Go to widgets. Here there are 2 ways. Either add shortcode or secondly to select sign up form directly from Mailerlite option. Select the form. So here it is, form on the page. You can add CSS detail over here. If you want to see preview, click over here. Here is the preview. You can now publish the page. So this is all about how to integrate Mailerlite with WordPress. Please like and share our video, subscribe our channel and give the feedback in the comment box.